Good morning, Facebook. How are you? I'm excited because yesterday I got delivered the new flavor. So HempWorks came out with a new flavor of full spectrum CBD, and like you can smell it through the package. It's cinnamon flavor, full spectrum CBD. I got the 500 potency, which offers 10 milligrams of CBD and cannabinoids per serving, because Sophie does not like peppermint. And the natural flavor I like it, but it's earthy, grassy, weedy. So, you know, if the cinnamon can take, hi guys, hi Barbara. If cinnamon can take the edge off of that grassy, weedy taste, I'm all for it. So I haven't tried it yet. I've heard good things. People are saying it tastes like big red gum or like Red Hots, and I'm just wondering how spicy it's gonna be. Okay, you guys are saying you like the flavor. Okay. So here we go. And full spectrum, what does full spectrum mean? It means that the cannabinoids are extracted from the entire plant. So you're getting an entire array of cannabinoids, not just CBD, not just trace amounts of THC, 0.03%, totally legal, not gonna be psychoactive, not gonna get you high. But aside from those two cannabinoids, you're gonna get 85 other cannabinoids. Our endocannabinoid system is made for this stuff, you guys. If you are not supplementing, we're just starting to learn all this research about the endocannabinoid system, and when you support it, all the amazing things that it can do. Really, every mammal has an endocannabinoid system, and we all most likely are deficient because you're not getting what you need through lifestyle and diet alone. So, oh my gosh, world changes when you supplement with CBD. It's a superfood. It's 2 ingredients, 2 or 3. So the natural flavor is simply hemp oil as the carrier oil and the CBD cannabinoids. No fillers. This is organic, as pure as it comes. Gen Canna is our supplier, a Kentucky farm, organic, third-party testing, fresh lock drying system, so you're not gonna have all the molds and pathogens. It's a really unregulated industry, so I'm really thankful that HempWorks has partnered with Gen Canna to produce an amazing product, and the proof is in the pudding with the testimonies and people whose lives are being changed with the oil. So there's 3 flavors. There's peppermint, natural, and now cinnamon. There's 2 potencies, the 500, which is 10 milligrams of CBD per serving, or the 750, which I normally use, which is 15 milligrams of CBD per serving. So my routine is morning and night, a whole serving. So I do a full dropper full, and it's been amazing for me as well as for Jackson. And now Sophia, I'm hoping, can take it more regularly, because even healthy bodies with no health ailments, we all have that system. Animals have it, dogs, cats, they have an endocannabinoid system that is deficient. So it brings your body to homeostasis. It affects every body differently depending on what the body needs. Really, really amazing stuff. Hey, Courtney. Yeah, so awesome. Okay, so shake. I'm taking it away from food or drink for maximum absorption. This will go sublingual, so I'm even opening the package. And I'm gonna take a smaller dose because I'm thinking it's gonna be a little spicy. Okay, and look at the beautiful color. It's, you know, it's just actually 3 ingredients now. This has some cinnamon flavoring in it. The other thing I love, sorry guys, the other thing I love is that there's a nutrition label on the back. You know what you're getting. It's not like you're gonna get fillers and nasty stuff. There's a nutrition fact label on the back. And it does tell you the suggested dose. I always recommend dosing, you know, low and then ramping up slow. Every body is different. Some people are reporting their body is great with just 10 drops twice a day. Some people like that 20 drops twice a day. So it does take some playing around. This is different than prescription drugs. It's not your doctor tells you take 1 pill, you know, twice a day. This takes some playing around with, but it's an organic plant. It's not marijuana. This is hemp. It looks like marijuana, but it's hemp. So high CBD levels, tiny THC levels, legal to ship to all 50 states through the 2014 Federal Farm Bill Act, soon to be 2018 Federal Farm Bill Act. Totally legal. totally legal, but there's so many misconceptions keeping so many people from trying it. So where each state does have their own law is what can be sold retail through dispensaries. So that varies from state to state, whether it's legal recreationally or medicinally. However, under an overarching federal Farm Bill Act, and because the THC is so low, but there are trace amounts, that's why it's legal to ship to all 50 states. HempWorks does also offer a THC-free version, and the only time I really recommend that is if you are drug tested. If you're drug tested for your job. Other than that, there's huge benefits. Our body has receptors for all these different cannabinoids, so if you can do the full spectrum, that's what I recommend. Amber says, been taking mine for 2 weeks. Awesome. Courtney says, love the cinnamon. Okay. Be quiet, Elaine, and take it. Okay, I'm gonna just take like a quarter dropper. Okay, under the tongue. I won't be able to talk for a second. Ideally, you would like hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, but we'll see what I do. It is like a red hot. It's got some spice to it. It's really good though. Wow, this might be my new fave. This might be, I don't know if it's gonna be kid friendly for Sophia, my daughter. It's definitely got a spice. It's so delicious. It does taste like big red gum and red hots. It's so good. Definitely, I mean, this could be up there with the peppermint. This is good. This might be my new favorite. A little kick, kind of fun. The taste of the regular makes me want to gag. Yeah, no, I mean, even Jackson will take the natural now. We like all the flavors, yeah. But the natural flavor does have that earthy, grassy, weedy taste, so it takes some getting used to. But this, so just so you know, there's a little kick to it, a little spice. If you want less spice but mask that weedy, grassy taste, the peppermint is super mild. This definitely has a little more of a kick than the peppermint, but it's good. It's good. It's like holiday flavor. So good. All right. It's addicting. My daughter said she will remember to take it now. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. This is HempWorks, Amber. Yes, HempWorks. It's so good. 30-day money back guarantee. I've been so impressed with the results. And the sourcing of the products, the third-party testing. This is legit. Like you get what you get, a potent CBD without the fillers, without any of the nasty stuff. I've been so impressed with the company. I've been with them we've been using it for 5 months now, and we will continue because seriously, like it's like a light goes off once your endocannabinoid system is supported. I think we're all walking around with just like deficient endocannabinoid systems, which leads to all types of disease. So even really healthy people, this is like anti-inflammation. This is anti-everything. It has such healing properties. So if you haven't gotten on the CBD train, it's time. I'm happy to help you. Reach out with any questions. We have we have an amazing group, a CBD education group. I can put the link in the comments if you want to check out, either HempWorks. We post all different kinds of things in this group. So, because a lot of people are just learning. A lot of people don't know anything about CBD. They still think it's marijuana. They still think it's illegal. They still think they're going to get high. Whereas it's an amazing superfood with medicinal properties. An organic plant, you guys. Let's get back to nature. What's the alternative? Like pain pills on pharmaceuticals with the list of side effects and the list of contraindications. Like you're really like research this instead of going to the pharmaceuticals, because it is about research. Okay, so many comments, you guys. It is so delicious. The benefits way outweigh any taste. It's amazing. Yes. Coming in late, natural, correct. No, this is the cinnamon. Cinnamon just came out full spectrum. So now there's 3 flavors, full spectrum, natural, peppermint, or now the cinnamon. The cinnamon has a spice. So if you are a spicy kind of person, it's delicious, like super flavorful, super potent. But I don't know. I might start Sophie with like a drop and see how she feels. But I got her the 500 because for a generally healthy person, the 500 potency is great for just overall health. People with bigger health ailments and pain and like my son with autism, we do the 750 just because it's more CBD, more cannabinoids, for, you know, bang for your buck. So, but both are great. You need more info, yeah, message me. I'm happy to plug you in our groups. I'm happy to send you info. It's amazing what changes when you support your endocannabinoid system. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off. Reach out with questions and hope you have an awesome day. Bye.